I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start by validating essentials. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is up to date and the Xbox app is installed on your PC. Once done, confirm both PC and console share the same network, wired preferable for latency reasons, and sign in with the same Microsoft account. Plug a USB-C cable for a direct connection or prepare Bluetooth or the Xbox wireless adapter. This gets you immediate control and avoids pairing delays. Now enable remote features on the console so the next phase can proceed. You now pair and configure. Connect the controller by USB for instant use. If using Bluetooth, hold bind button and pair in Windows settings, the wireless adapter needs its driver installed first. Next, in the Xbox app, add your console. Let it discover on the local network or enter the console IP for stubborn networks. Then start a remote play session and tweak stream quality. Lower resolution to 720p at 60 frames to reduce lag on Wi-Fi, or choose 1080. Finish by confirming controller mappings and audio routing on the PC so input and sound behave predictably. Launch a fast response game to test latency. If you notice stutter or missed inputs, switch to a wired connection and close background apps that consume bandwidth. If the console won't appear, perform one key troubleshoot step. Restart the Xbox networking service on Windows, verify strict NAT isn't blocking discovery, and reboot your router. These actions resolve most connection failures quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.